Today I'm going to be opening a Pokemon pack. It's the FUECOCO collection pack. It's from the PALDEA region and there's a FUECOCO on it. It's the FUECOCO version. I could have picked from Sprigatito, the grass cat, FUECOCO, the fire croc, or Quackly, the duckling Pokemon. And it says right here. You can read it if you want to pause the video. So today I'm going to be opening this pack. And there's this promo foil card back here. I could pick Marodon or Kyrodon. But I picked Kyrodon because I already have a Marodon card. Show them it. This is a Marodon. If you want to see it closer. So this is a Marodon. I put it in this wrappy case so it gets protected well. So without further ado, let's open this pack. Okay, so the first thing is a Kyrodon in the list. Down here, this is the stats. I want to read the stats. Dino Cry. Once during your turn, you may attach up to 2 basic energy cards to your discard pile of basic Pokemon any way you like. If you use this ability, your turn ends. Okay. What? There's a Wild Impact attack. This attack is called Wild Impact. No energies, but your next turn you can't really attack. This is a Kyrodon EX. Okay, be good. You can pause the video if you want to look at it. Okay, the next two. Oh yeah, I forgot. These are the packs that I'm gonna open in a moment. So the second card is the starters. Oh, I need to kind of open it. I don't know how to open this.
I know.
Pull it. Oh, I know now. So you pull it out like this. Boop. Oh, Sprigatito. So there are 1 TG game card that you can use for the video game.
Yeah, you gave it to me.
Yeah? And then these are the main 3 starters of the region. In the PALDEA region cards, they have these like really shiny cards in the end. Normal cards don't have them. And if you want to read the stats, you can pause the video. So, the second thing is there is a FUECOCO pin. So, this is a pin and it's a FUECOCO right here. This is one of my pins and it's the same one as this guy. So, this is a dex card. You want to open it?
Yes.
Okay, open it.
How do I open it?
So you rip.
I don't want this one. I want to see.
See the Willipits?
I want this one. I want
Arceus,
this one.
the god of Pokemon.
Yes.
Open it.
Yes.
Ready, set.
And I'm gonna show it. Okay.
Go.
I'm gonna show it.
Okay. Oh, I see our first Pokemon. Okay, these are not PALDEA Pokemon. Yeah, I want the cards.
I want to show it.
Okay, let's see.
Can I show half of them?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Show.
No,
Ready?
You show first.
Okay, so I got a.
Since you are 9 years old right now.
Okay, I got Centipede, a new card. I haven't get this. Pause it if you want to read the start. If you want to read the stats, then I'll show you all of the cards after this, and you can read the stats of all of them. So this is okay. pretty good. This is card number 2. Moltres, a legendary Pokemon. So this is a Moltres. And we got a energy. We got a Grotto. We got a card right here. And then we also got Team Yell. Oh. The last one is this. Another game card, so
I need it.
okay, here you go. Take it. Now I'll show you the cards. You can pause them. Card. So this is Team Yell. And the last one. Now, card 2. The first one we got Axel. And the next one we got, wait, what's this? Bat Toy. Next one we got wait, what's this? Chimchar. Wait, I need to remember.
William, the next one starts with the letter C.
Oh, we got Casform.
And the next one starts with the letter G.
Got it.
Now
Not
I
the
want
most
to
useful
open the
card.
other one.
So these are the cards you can read if you pause the video. One. The first one. Second one. Third one.
Oh, my favorite Pokemon!
You read this, right?
Yeah.
This.
William, can I keep this?
Let's see.
Can I keep this?
Maybe.
Can I want it, please?
Shanks. Card number 1 is Shanks. Card number 2, Farfetch. Card number 3, Execute. Card number 4, Gimmer. Card number 4, we got a Clefairy. We got a Wormdale, but this is cloak form. We got Dragagon. Energy.
Let me see.
A very useful energy. Well, no,
I keep
not
the
really.
Shanks.
Maybe. Wait, what is the cards? So this is Candler, a trainer. You can pause it. This is this guy. I forgot. Oh, it's a Pachirisu. The last one we got this care thingy. Karen's care.
And then
Okay.
give me this back.
I'll show you them again. But these are the cards.
me.
Fire type.
Ooh.
Energy. This is cloak. Cloak form. Okay. This is our so this is the next card. Next card. Next card. Next card. Next card. Next card.
These are all no.
Next card. And next card. Okay.
I'm
Give me
gonna hold it, okay? I'm
Okay.
gonna hold it.
give me half the cards.
No, I have to hold it.
What's this? Markero. Okay? Read it, or you can pause the video if you don't get it fast enough. This is a Emojiga. Right there. We got a Meditite. Pause the video if you need. This is a Durant. We got a Wellimer.
This is not very useful, okay?
No, useful for the battle decks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But not
It's
very
hard.
useful.
What's this? We got a primarily altar.
This is sun guy.
A sunflora.
Like Sunday.
Ew. This is worker. Look at him.
William, do you remember I just showed you that?
Oh yeah, dragon poop. This guy.
It's a shiny. And the last one.
I'm gonna read this. I'm gonna read it first. Dragon launcher. Oh, we got Indeedee.
And then I can keep this.
Yeah.
And then I know.
No, I want to open it.
I know how
I'm
to open
opening
the
it.
pack, William. I already know.
I'm opening it.
Cause you
I hope
already
we get a
know.
really good card on this one. Like a
Can I
super
show
good
it?
one.
You show it the
I
most.
want to show it though.
Okay. How about I show half?
No,
I show
I just
half.
want to show everything. Okay. Dratini. Look, a Dratini is #1 card. Get rid of it.
Okay.
Chinchou.
Chinchou and the same Pokemon as last time.
Meditite.
We already got that from one of the packs.
We got a Jupiter.
Jupiter turns to Stupider.
Huh?
Do you remember that?
No.
Stupider turns to Stupider.
Ponyta.
Ponita! Pom pom pom! Ponita. We have a Chinese one.
Pokemon.
Have a Chinese one. No. Prestoni.
We got a Hisuian
What?
Lilligant.
Hisuian Liligan?
This is a Lilligant.
Liligan?
Yeah, we got this
Why? How did it look like a
energy.
Pokemon? That doesn't really look like a Pokemon.
We got a Stonejourner.
Yeah, it looks bad.
That's pretty weird.
Jupiter!
a Goober.
Jupiter! The next one is Jupiter.
No,
It looks like Jupiter.
it's the evolved form of Jupiter. It's a aquariated.
It looks like.
Another card.
And then I can keep this.
If you want to read the Marathon stuff, yeah, here you go.
And can you give me the sheets? I want sheets.
FUECOCO.
I lost sheets.
Bye.
I want sheets.
Bye. And bye. Thanks for watching. Look at this FUECOCO, so cute, isn't it?